Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vice and today we are watching HORIMIYA Season 2, Episode 2. I'm just so excited to dive into this. The last episode was hilarious. I can't wait to see what else Season 2 has in store for us. And I'm just glad to be continuing on with these characters because I love them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Fall is here. What's wrong? What's that? Sports. They hate this. You hate sports day? I did too. It was field day for us, but I hated it. A rain dance. That's not gonna work. Nah, it's normal. Competition. Yay! Oh no. Yeah, don't say it like that. Amazing. They'll do so well. You can't do nothing. Oh, she does not seem happy. Oh, she hates this. Oh no. She still has her crush. Oh, this is gonna be sad. Rain dance. They are not. He just isn't an athlete. Yeah. Always being picked last. Cute. Yeah, you guys just have to have fun. Don't think about winning. Just do your best. Oh, she will. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Now you just never want it to end. Of course he is. Hori inspired him. I hope he does come and watch. But she's trying. Just ask for some help. I'm sure Remy would help her. Oh, you poor girl. Oh. Are you gonna help her? Oh, Yuki's gonna help her. This is gonna be so sweet. Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. This is so sweet.
少し横向いてグーパンチ。グーパンチ。そしたら真上でシャンシャンシャン。
Oh, especially because they didn't really have much interaction in season 1. This is so wholesome.
敵同士で何やってんの？
私チアやりたくないよ。河野さんできるじゃん。本当？
楽しそうで何よりだ。
Yeah, having fun. That's like the message of this episode.
私は戦国くんもレミも好きだ。大好きだ。
Oh no.
混ぜるだけじゃない。
怒ってい
They
る。
can't cook.
私が怒っているかどうかなんて今関係ないでしょ。これ入れればいいの？待って待ってレミ、違うそれじゃない。ちゃんとよく見て。
それじゃなくてこっちだよレミ。
No!
戦国くんストップ。それ今じゃないでしょ。レシピ見て。
Oh, they just don't read.
手元見て。
And they're messy.
さくらこれ塩って書いてあるけど塩かな。
This says salt. Is it salt?
大体塩よ。大体二人とも混ぜ方が汚いのよ。
戦国たちの班まだ材料を混ぜてる。
Oh no.
もういい。戦国くんは野菜とか切って。それならできるでしょ。
俺がか？うっかりうっか
I
り。
forgot.
くらい向いてよ常識よ。レミの方は。もう誓った。
Remy.
レミは刃物持ったらダメ。
Knives revoked.
レミは丁寧にゆっく
They can't even stir. That's so sad.
それ以上は何もしないで。混ぜるだけね。任せて。
あ、切っちゃった。
Ah, poor Sakura.
待って、まず手洗って戦国くん。さくら、ねえこれでいいの？
She's gone.
ねえさくら、魚入れちゃうね。あれ？
No, Remy.
状になってきたよ。できた。
It's gonna explode.
さくら、これでいいの？
How? How is it even doing that?
とりあえず
Open a window. What did you even do?
というのが前回の調理実習。
Awful.
こっちを見なさい。
怒ってる。
こっち見なさいちゃんと。今日は何を作るの？
カレー。
二人が持ってきたものは？
大根。
なんで？豆腐。なんで？戦国くんの家のカレーには大根入ってるの？
いや、多分入ってない。
Oh my god, why do they just become like dumb when it comes to cooking? Because they're smart.
しか見たことがないから、どんなスタートを切ったらいいのか
Why didn't you look it up?
とりあえずカレーによく入ってる野菜を持ってきて。
野菜を鍋の周りに並べたらカレーが湧き出るのか？
調理すんのよ。クラス
I'm blown away.
戦国くんに合わせてレベルを下げてるのに。
You're the student council.
逆に何なら作れるの？
パスタ。
作るっていうのはパッケージ開けて温めるっていう。
I can relate though. I can't make much food from scratch
とりあ
either.
えず私が持ってきた
But at least I know what goes into it.
レミは包丁だ。
I can follow direction.
戦国くんは手元気をつけて。
Okay.
何を？
I don't know, I feel like he's gonna cut himself using a knife instead of a peeler.
そうやって皮。
じゃがいもが消えた。
なんで全部剥くのよ。玉ねぎも消えた。だからなんで全部剥くのよ。
Oh my god.
もうクラス全員がこうなること予想して少しずつカレー分けてくれててよかったわね。予想されてた。
That's so funny.
君はカレー温めて。レミ
No.
ご飯よそってね。
Don't put them in charge.
レミ一生料理できないのかな。
頑張れば。
No.
いつかきっとできるさ。
火力？何それ？
強火だろ？
強火？今の強火？何したの？さくら。
お、
I feel so bad for Sakura.
泣かないで。
How do you do this? How?
いいじゃないおかゆ。あ、おいしい。おいしいよレミ。
Okay.
お米
Making her feel better.
さくら、ごめんね。いつも。
I mess everything up. No, that's not true.
さくらはいいお嫁さんになるね。料理だけが大事ってわけじゃないじゃない。できないよりはできた方がいいもん。
Or you just find someone else who can cook for you.
お嫁に行けないよ。
どうしよう。
Aw.
もらい手がない。
Oh no.
大丈夫よ。その時は
If no one wants you, I'll marry you
私が
both?
もらってあげるから。
Oh my god!
さくら、ありがとう。
Amazing! That was so cool. I love Sakura.
そういえば宮村は何にエントリーした？
The 100 meter.
リレー出ろよリレー。
やだよ目立つし、あれは陸上部が出るやつじゃん。
Enter the
そん
relay.
なことねえよ。確か1年の時は週も出てたし。陸上部に抜かれてたけど。でもまあ向こうには会長がいるからなあ。それだけでこっちの勝率が盛り上がるよな。女子はチアレン大変だよな。堀さんもチアやるんだよ。
堀さん似合う。かっこいい。そうそれで決まりだね。宮村どう？似合う？
She looks great.
思ってたのと違った。
Oh no. Her jealousy.
どうした堀。
Oh my god, her aura.
はい、じゃあ次の文読んで、堀。
Oh my god.
おお、そんな感情込めなくてもいいぞ。役は
She's so mad.
バカが。
堀どこ訳してんだ？
Yikes.
教科書忘れたっつって。
へえ、そう。
そうだよ。見せてた。
He's hiding.
いやしまった。
Oh,
だって何よ。
だって堀さん怒ってるでしょ。
先にそんな怖が
you're cornering him. Of course he's
やら
scared.
しいことは何もないです。俺にはとても。
私はそういう心配をしてたんじゃなくて、ただ
Just didn't want him talking to her.
堀の焼き餅は怖いんだよ。
She is. She's terrifying.
焼き餅っていうか
Yes, you were.
殺意みたいな。うわ
Yeah, it's like a mixture of possessiveness and jealousy.
堀の方だけなの？焼き餅的な。そんなこと。
色塗り終わりそうか。
もう少し。
さっき放送で3年の体育委員全員集合かかったからキリがいいところで来てくれってさ。
まだかかるよ。私やっとこうか。堀美術
Oh
だ
no.
ったっけ？何よそれ。もう早く行ってきなさいよ。
Oh no.
ありがとう。終わったらすぐ。
She's not good at art, is she?
はみ出さないように塗るだけでしょ。
It's harder than you think.
勇気は心配しすぎなのよ。
No! Girl, cover your mouth.
来てくればよかった。
こんなところで寒くねえの？
溝内、寒いよ。女子は足丸出しだからね。
Girls have to put up with bare legs. You can't wear pants? That was sweet of
かけ
him.
とけ。ないよりマシだろ。それ終わったら
And now Miyamura is gonna be jealous.
溝内、
堀さん。終わった？
びっくりした。
Aw, outside the
まだ終わ
lines.
ってないのよ。
Yep, here it comes.
誰の？
溝内、足が寒いって言ったら貸してくれた。あ、
Uh-oh. Take his.
ブレザーよ高い。
いや今の今まで着てたから。
ありがとう。
Oh, they're cute.
金の
Yeah.
いいけど。
And he's cold.
宮村もやってかない？
ペンキ塗るの初めてかも。なんかここはみ出してない？
There we go. Easy fix. What? Oh. That's so funny. He didn't have to run away.
何かあったら言えよ。
ああやって水内くんは堀さんの体温と俺の体温区別もつかないまま満足して過ごせばいいと思うんだ。
あんたね。
That's so funny.
焼き餅？焼き餅だ。
He is. She loves it.
何ニヤニヤしてんの？
It's not just her.
膝にかけてたにしては腕のところまであったかい。
Of course he'd notice that. And that was HORIMIYA Season 2, Episode 2. That was a cute episode. It really seems like we're ramping up to Sports Day, and I can't wait to see them all participate and what they'll do, and hopefully we don't skip over that, because this really does feel like an episode of setting that up, right? I really liked Miyamura's perspective on it too, about how in the past he always hated it, and for obvious reasons, multiple reasons too. But Hori really made a difference in his life and how he views things, and now he's excited for Sports Day. He has a reason to try his best because Hori's going to be watching and cheering him on, and he's not going to be alone anymore. And I love that because, like, field day, I'm kind of equating their sports day to my field day that we would have as a kid, where basically the entire school grounds was all set up with different stations and your team would go around doing each one. And I always hated it as a kid, only because, like, I wasn't athletic, so I hated that day because I had to do so much physical activity, but I also liked it because it was like, it was a fun time, you know, like we got cool fun snacks, we had popsicles, ice cream, there was a cakewalk, like there was a bunch of like really fun things that you could do in between, so it wasn't all sports, but I just hated like the physical activity aspect of it all. But I definitely just like, I relate to Miyamura so much, so it's fun when I find like all these little things that it's like, oh yeah, I totally get what he's saying and why he would hate it, especially if he had no friends and he's on this team of people that would ignore him. That must suck, but now you're on a team with Toru, with others that are your friends, and you don't have to worry about that anymore, and that's really cool. Sakura. I feel so bad for Sakura because I know like this was supposed to take place before she revealed to Toru that she had a crush on him, before she got her heart broken. So it's kind of sad to see her like still kind of hopeful. I really did like her and Yuki bonding over cheerleading and really helping each other out there, because we didn't really get much interaction between the two of them in season 1. And the interaction we did get from them, it was like they weren't friends, right? They just knew each other. But this episode kind of made it seem like they're going to become friends, and that, I don't know, I just felt like it was so wholesome and sweet and very kind of Yuki to take time out of her day to help Sakura, because I don't really know at this time if Yuki knows about Sakura's crush on Toru or not. I'm not quite sure where this falls in the timeline, but if she does know, like, that's even so much better, because you're being like the bigger person here. You're putting aside those particular feelings and just helping this girl out. And that's wonderful. I love to see it. Remy and Sengoku. Oh, what a pair. What a pair. They can't cook. I feel bad for their future together, just because it's like, what are you guys gonna do? Just order out all the time? They have to learn how to cook from scratch, at least some things, not everything, because there's a bunch of stuff you can order like pre-made out of the box and make it and stuff, and hopefully they can follow those instructions. But wow, I did not expect them to just not be able to do anything here, and Sakura really had to take the reins. And I thought it was hilarious that Remy was like, oh, Sakura, you're gonna be an amazing wife someday because she can cook. And both her and Sengoku, they were just like so sad that they wouldn't be like amazing partners because of this issue. And Sakura, her solution to this quandary of Remy's is like, don't worry, I'll marry both of you and we'll be okay. And it's like, I love that. That's amazing. That's so funny. But also because like they're always a trio, right? They've always been presented as a trio. And I feel like that's never going away. So it's just, I find it really cute and funny that they made it like that next step, though I don't think it's going to happen. But it's kind of like a cool open-ended thing there. I think it was really a joke, but you know, it was fun to see. Because even though it won't work out with Toru, maybe it'll work out with Remy and Sengoku. Probably not, but you never know. But yeah, overall, really fun episode. I really can't wait for the next one. I really hope we dive right into Sports Day and see everyone come together and see Miyamura really like have fun for once at this event that he normally would not have. But let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this episode. If you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out my other shows here on the channel. And with that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!